taking control, managing assumed relationships, and financial inheritance. Introduction. What you don't manage will manage you. In life, we often find ourselves tangled in assumed relationships, connections based on expectation rather than agreement. These can be family members, friends, or even third-party agents who believe they are entitled to something, especially when money, inheritance, or perceived wealth is involved. This booklet will help you recognize these hidden dynamics, protect your resources, and establish order and management before your blessings become your burden. Chapter 1. What are assumed relationships? Assumed relationships are unspoken, undefined ties where people believe they have a role or claim in your life, without formal agreement or legal foundation. Examples: a distant cousin who believes they should inherit from your estate, a friend who thinks they deserve a business stake because they were there from the beginning, an ex or estranged family member who shows up when wealth is visible. These people often act entitled, not based on truth but assumption. Key insight: anything assumed and unspoken becomes fertile ground for conflict. Chapter 2. Inheritance versus third-party agents. Inheritance. Inheritance should be intentional, documented, and protected. Without a will, trust, or directive, your estate could be devoured by assumed relationships or controlled by state-appointed strangers. Third-party agents. Third-party agents, e.g. lawyers, advisors, power of attorney holders, must be vetted. Many are wolves in business suits, acting in their own interests unless you 1. Define their scope of power. 2. Limit their access. 3. Use contracts, not conversations. Never confuse an agent for an ally. Chapter 3. The $10 limited rule. U.S. financial law requires that any cash transaction over $10,000 be reported to the IRS. This protects against money laundering, but also makes you visible to external forces, banks, courts, etc. What this means for you: don't move large sums without a plan, paper trail, and reason. Use trusts, business entities, or staged transfers when managing large funds. Protect privacy through structured financial intelligence, not reaction. Too much visibility invites too many hands. Chapter 4. The danger of operating without rules. Without rules, boundaries, and legal protection, your finances become a free-for-all. These are the unknown miseries: probate court battles, frozen bank accounts, lawsuits from assumed heirs, greedy relatives backed by clever lawyers. All of this can happen if you do not write a will, establish a living trust, set up durable powers of attorney and medical directives, define who gets what, when, and how. The law favors the prepared, not the emotional. Chapter 5. Order and management over foolish wealth. What good is a large sum of money in the hands of someone without vision, restraint, or wisdom? Money without order attracts chaos, exposes weaknesses, magnifies your flaws. Financial freedom is not just about having money. It's about knowing where it goes, controlling how it grows, protecting it from who it shouldn't know. Build financial order. Create a budget and stick to it. Assign roles to your resources. Don't let money wander. Use legal, accounting, and strategic tools to keep everything documented and clean. He who cannot manage little will be destroyed by much. Final words: legacy requires strategy. To win the long game of wealth and peace, you must manage 1. People. Clarify your relationships. 2. Paperwork. Document your wishes. 3. Power. Assign it only to the trustworthy. Let order and structure be your first defense. Don't let assumed relationships, hidden agents, or unpreparedness steal what you've built. Tools for action. Create a will or living trust. Appoint a trustworthy executor and power of attorney. Review your estate plan annually. Educate your heirs on financial responsibility. Keep sensitive information secure and off public records. Remember, what you do not manage, someone else will, often to your regret.